Hey, good morning. This morning we're making the Mountain Man breakfast. We're going to kind of shoot from the hip, but we're going to get the 12-inch Dutch going here, and we're going to start this thing. So hang in there with us, follow along, and see how we get this done. Alrighty, we got our 12-inch Dutch nice and hot. First step, put the sausage in. We got some Jimmy Dean sage sausage. This stuff is good, so let's get that in there and get that cooking. Set the lid aside for now. Let's see, I need something to cut this with. I just happen to have a pocket knife. One of the three things a man always has to have on him. I'll talk about that maybe in a later video, the three things a man has to have. So let's get this sausage in here. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. Alright, where's need the spoon? Just break that up. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit before we do the next step. Alright, let's get the lid back on it for a little bit. We'll just let that sausage cook. Alright. Okay, let's check this sausage and see how it's coming along. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So, what we're going to do here is take that sausage and transfer it to this little 8-inch Dutch for now. And we got some potatoes, hash browns that need to go in here and get cooked. So, just go throw the hash browns in here and let them cook in the grease here of the sausage. All right, let's throw those hash browns in there. Where'd they go? They're over here. These are just frozen hash browns. So we'll just dump those in there and let them cook. See, you need to get the lid back on. Take this little 8-inch Dutch and set it on top. We'll keep our sausage warm. There, we're getting there. Alrighty, we've got the potatoes in here, the hash browns. Looks like they're done. So we're gonna put the sausage back in there that we had in this little 8-inch Dutch. Well, it's smelling good, looking kind of good too. Make sure we get all the little crumbs in there. Alrighty, there's that. Now, we're just shooting from the hip here on this Mountain Man breakfast, so I think now we want to get the eggs in there. So we have a whole bunch of scrambled eggs here, right there. Just go pour that in there. And I think we'll just let that cook a little bit. And last step, we'll put some cheese on top. Then it's going to be done. Good. All right, let's check this Mountain Man breakfast and see how it's doing. Oh, look at there, look at there. I think it's about time to put the cheese on top and let that melt, and we're going to be done. So let's set this lid over here. Where's our cheese? Right there. Let's get the cheese. So I got mild cheddar. We'll pour some of that in there. This is stuff I just had in the refrigerator, so. And let's see what else we got here. We got some cheddar jack. Let's pour that in there. Let that melt on top and we'll be ready. We'll go eat this stuff. So, if you want, you can leave me a comment. You can hit the sub button, subscribe to my channel, follow along, because I'm sure we're going to be doing some more Dutch oven meals. There you go. Mountain Man breakfast.